my friends. I know it's a little bit early. I know, right? Let me get this light off here quick. Yeah. There we go. That's a little bit better. So we're gonna do a couple things with you, if you don't mind. Yeah, just a couple. I will definitely do the cardboard, last. Of this morning. I do want to share, apparently there's one apple that is mushy. So yeah, so this happened this morning. So we're gonna put some. I tried everything I can. At least I have a tan hand. Never had a tan hand before like that. Never had something like that. Look at the compare of that. That's crazy. So we're gonna put some lotion on this. Yep. Yeah, we're gonna use this. It is the vanilla almond thing on. I love that kind. I love that scent. It's really pretty. Yeah. I know it says body lotion. We're also gonna do the hands. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. It's actually going down. That's a good thing. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of Nivea on. Yeah. Yeah. We'll just add the Nivea. Yes, I can hear the birds singing this morning. I know. So pretty. I know. We're not gonna do a whole lot with you guys. Yeah. Not a whole lot. Yep. Just a few things. We're gonna just do a few things this morning. Yep. Yep. This one right here. Yep. There's a few. Yep. There is a few, but I'll be getting some new ones tomorrow. Yep. Yeah. So that's why we're gonna get some more apples tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah. Let's put the lotion back. Yeah. And we can check on this hand here. I know it's going down. That's a good thing. Look, doing. There we go. Looks a little bit better. Okay, are you guys ready to see? It's getting better. Yep, I did put some makeup on it. I might try again. Or something. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I did do a couple of things this morning. Yep. An early morning. And also good morning to you guys. I know I usually don't look like this, but you know, I usually do. Every mornings. But yeah. We're just gonna put a few things need to go back in real quick. Yep. And by the way, let me get my a little breakfast stuff ready this morning. How about that? Yeah. We're just getting that ready this morning. But we're not going to eat so quickly yet. No. We're just trying to get it ready. That's all. Yeah. For this morning. We're just getting things ready. Yeah, for today. Yeah. And then I might do another video this morning too. Maybe. At least I want to do a little bit early video this morning. Just a little. I know I'm going to take my pill too. Don't worry about that. Yeah. Yeah, we're not going to have a whole lot of breakfast this morning. No. Alright, now we're going to put them back now. Yeah. I know, right? I think we're going to only 2 things this morning. Yeah, for breakfast today. Yeah. Well, maybe 3. Maybe 3. There might be bacon. Yeah, there might be bacon. I'm just going to put my breakfast on the side here because we're not going to have it so quickly. Yeah. We just took out my pills out for that. And I want to do something with my suitcase with you guys. Kind of something different. It's a little bit different that we're going to do with the suitcase. I'll be still using this. Yep. I know. Yeah, I'll be leaving this coming weekend. You know, I need to get out of Iowa for a little while. Yeah. It's just so stressed. Yeah. Yeah. It's just so stressed and yeah. Don't need this thing for right now. I know, right? So we're gonna put these things, just the Iowa Miss Amazing ones. Yep, just these ones that we're gonna use. These are gonna be used. But this one I am saving because with a good friend of mine, signed his autograph. So we have to keep that. Yep. And I think I will save that too. Over here too. Yep. I know, right? Get all this settled. At least we're just getting things settled. That's a good thing. Ugh. If I can get this thing. Look at him. There we go. We're good. Yeah, we are. don't need that. Yep, don't need that right now, but we'll be doing something with it. Yep. Yep. Keeping those two things. Yep. I'm just gonna put a few the skinny pop things. I don't never eat those things. I'm gonna show you the ones I don't. I never eat these things, but I think I will give it to my bestie. I know she would. Yeah. I do not like anything gummy things or yeah, no. Never. Yep. Yep. All right. So we're going to put these things in my suitcase instead of packing cubes. Yeah. It is kind of something different. I know, right? Now you do this over here quick. Yeah. Yep. I know, right? Yeah. I really do like to have this things in here. Yeah. I think we're gonna do the white on this side. Yeah. And then we're gonna do color on the other side. Yeah. I like that idea. Yeah. I like that. Yeah. It's kind of like mesh color, the white mesh. That's what I was thinking about. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. It looks a lot better. I like that better. And I think we're gonna add the pink in here too. So let's get the pink out too, by the way. Yeah. We have the pink. Yeah, I'm gonna put the pink on this side here too. Yep. All the Miss Amazing bags, it's always gonna be in here for packing. Always. And you guys know that. So we're just getting, at least I want to get this ready, so that's awesome. Yep. For this coming weekend. So, yeah. Yeah. I feel better with, not the mesh things, but at least we have the Miss Amazing things in here. Yeah. Because I like that a lot better for me. Yep. I know, right? Okay, let me see in here real quick. Okay, good. I did not put anything in here, so that's a good thing. Yeah. We're gonna put this all together with the journals together. Yeah. Yeah. At least we're just putting things together. So that's a good thing. And I better keep this thing because a good friend of mine is Katie Bell. Yeah. She's actually really cool. She's a really good friend of mine. Yeah. She's really cool. Yeah. Yeah. What else I was gonna tell you and I can't think of it now. I know, right? And here's this bag is for my best friend. Oh, there's one more thing I want to share. Yes, this thing is already blinged up. I just need to get more. Yeah, just need to get more of the bling. Yeah, for that this morning. Yeah. And I don't know if you guys have seen of my rearranging of a lot of things so far. I know you guys have seen a lot. And I'm also thinking about to do a short video later today. I think I might do a short video this morning too. That'll be later on today. I do have only the sweatshirt. A little. It's gonna be windy today, so that's fine with me. We just have my Minnesota Vikings little jacket that we're gonna wear today. So we're gonna do that today and something else with it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. And I can't think of anything else for the moment. I will be packing up this weekend. Yeah, I will be doing that. I don't know when. So I might do that maybe Friday. I know I have some dirty clothes. I know I gotta do that too, included. So yeah, the dirty clothes. Yeah, I have dirty clothes already, so I'll be doing that. Yeah, I will be doing that later tonight. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, my little tushy is just. I know my room is still it is still a little mess. Not a whole lot, but I'll be definitely gonna do that video with the breakfast included. Yeah, I think there might be bacon today. Yeah, I think that's I think that's a good idea to have bacon. Yeah, we're gonna have bacon, Cheetos, and Crispies this morning. Actually, that sounds good. Let's get the plate out too for that. Yeah. And that's all ready to go. And of course I'm gonna have Mountain Dew and yeah. At least I'm just I am getting a little bit better this morning. But I'm still tired this morning, but I wanted to do an early morning video for you today. For this morning today. So yeah. I know, right? Can I get an amen? Cool. Let me get another light on quick if you don't mind. It's just, yeah. This was kind of like playing out boring without no light. But yeah. But that's gonna be everything for this morning today. I will be doing another video later. I do have track and field practice today. Yeah. I'll be coming home first because I had to get my bike with me when I go to track and field. Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, so I might have to take my bike with me for the cycling. There is cycling today too, so it's a little bit better. Yeah, yesterday with the weather, it was kind of bad. And that's why we didn't have practice yesterday because of, the tornadoes and, thunderstorms and all that stuff. Not happening. So we'll be doing that. We're going to do cycling today. Finally today. It is just going to be windy. So that's a good thing that's a good thing. So, yeah. So, yeah. I'm glad I mentioned that before I forget. So, yeah. There'll be, like I said, there'll be 2 videos this morning. One is this video with you guys right now, and then there'll be a short video later this morning. So just to let you guys know what's going on. So yes, I love you guys so much. Have a great good morning. I'll talk to you guys. I'll talk to you guys tonight, okay? Yeah. Okay? Cool. I'll talk to you at nighttime, guys. So just 2 videos today. So just to let you guys know. Thanks guys for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can give me a like. Yep. Like. Comment and also subscribe. Those 3 you can do. I'd be more appreciate that, guys. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great day and talk to you tonight. Bye.